Microsoft has begun rolling out its highly anticipated AI-powered recall feature for Windows 11, alongside other new functionalities like Click to Do and an enhanced search experience. This marks Microsoft's significant move in the desktop AI race, positioning it against Apple's Apple Intelligence. Recall is designed to capture on-screen content, enabling users to search for it later using text and image matching. It automatically organizes results and allows users to return directly to the original content. Initially announced in May 2024 for Copilot PCs, its launch was delayed due to security concerns regarding the accessibility of its local database of screenshots. In response to these concerns, Microsoft has implemented several changes. Recall is now opt-in during setup and can be disabled at any time. It includes automatic filters for sensitive content, utilizes secure VBS Enclaves for data processing and management, and requires Windows Hello authentication for access. Microsoft acknowledges that Recall is still in a preliminary phase. Accompanying Recall is Click to Do, similar to Google's Circle to Search, activated with the Windows key and a left mouse click for direct interaction with on-screen text and images. The Windows search functionality has also been improved to understand less detailed descriptions. These new AI features, including Recall, Click to Do, and the enhanced search, are exclusively available on Copilot PCs, which are equipped with NPUs of at least 40 TOPS for local and energy-efficient AI processing. The rollout begins with the April 2025 non-security update, with broader availability expected in the following month.